Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add your smart home devices to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, we need to go to connected devices, and then over here scroll down to find SmartThings. We're gonna use this app just for that. Over here, if you go through all these notifications and permissions, then you can start adding your devices. So you can, in favorites, press this plus button in order to add a device, add servers, or create a routine. You can also go to devices at the bottom in order to manage your living room. You can also manage rooms over here, and you can start adding devices. If you press add device, then over here you can add a Samsung device or partner devices. You can also scan QR code at the bottom, or you can try to scan nearby devices. And that's pretty much it. We can also go to live category over here. We have routines where we can add different routines, and we also have the menu where we have notifications. We have the information about how to properly use this device. So if you ever feel lost, then of course you can go over here and try to find the answer here. And if needed, we also have the contact option over here where we can contact the support. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.